Hey everyone, in this video I will be walking you through my web scraping and data storage workflow built using N10, Apify and Google Sheets. This automation uses an Apify actor to scrape real-time search results from Google and then stores the structured data automatically in Google Sheets. The workflow starts with an HTTP node that calls the Apify actor. This is the actor which we are going to use, Google Search Result Scraper. I provided the input parameter in JSON format in HTTP node like this. This tells the actor to fetch the top 10 search results from the keyword Nike. On the Apify actor, we can see the run and its output. Once the actor runs completes, it returns structured data including each result's position, URL, title, and description. We can verify the result by putting a keyword Nike on Google. Here, it shows Nike delivers innovative product, etc. And the result description Nike delivers innovative products, experience, and so on. The title and description. The workflow then splits the result and formats them neatly using an item list node. Finally, all process data is appended to Google Sheets with columns for index, URL, title, and description for making the scrap information easy to read, analyze, and reuse. Here is the scrap data successfully saved in Google Sheets. The top 10 results. This project shows a complete end-to-end data automation pipeline combining API scraping power with N10 workflow automation and Google Sheets integration for seamless data management. Thanks for watching.